Realme X50 Pro Player Edition TENAA listing reveals specifications. Realme is expected to launch the Realme X50 Pro Player Edition in China on May 25 alongside a bunch of other products including possibly the Realme Buds Air Neo. The gaming-focused edition of the Realme X50 Pro 5G is going to feature almost the same internals and sporting the model number RMX2072. Now, a new listing on certification website TENAA has given away the Realme X50 Pro Player Edition specifications. As expected, the phone has similar specs as the X50 Pro 5G. According to the TENAA listing, the Realme X50 Pro Player Edition comes with the Snapdragon 865 processor paired with up to 12GB of RAM. That's the same as the Realme X50 Pro 5G. However, the listing reveals that the Player Edition will also be available in a 512GB storage variant. In comparison, the Realme X50 Pro 5G only went up to 256GB. The listing also reveals watered-down cameras on the Player Edition. While the Realme X50 Pro came with a 6.4MP primary rear camera, the Player Edition has a 4.8MP primary sensor. Also, the front camera on the Player Edition is a dual 1.6MP plus 2MP, while the regular X50 Pro featured a 3.2MP plus 8MP selfie camera. Similar to the Realme X50 Pro 5G, the Player Edition also features LPDDR5 RAM, which is great. However, the new phone will come with the faster UFS 3.1 storage as compared to UFS 3.0 in the Realme X50 Pro 5G. That means we can expect faster read-write speeds and game load times. Apart from all that, the listing reveals a 2055 mAh battery cell, so the phone will likely have a dual-cell battery of around the same 4200 mAh as the X50 Pro 5G.